Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes. Your first chapter is going on, that is large number. Today we will do question number 3 of exercise 1E. We have done question number 1 and 2. Now today we will do question number 3. So children, what is question number 3? Check out the periods marked using comma and write the number name in Indian or international system of numeration. First we will see the number and we will decide that they are from which period and they are international or Indian. Then we will write the number names of that according to their system, they are international or Indian. So question number 1 comma 787 comma 564 is given. So children, you can see these numbers are separated in the group of 3, first 3, then second 3, and then the last one. So they are 564 are from the period of ones, 787 are from the period of thousand, and 1 is from the period of million. So this is international system. So we will write the number name 1,787,564. Second question 17 comma 87 comma 564. So this is Indian system because this is from the ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. So this is Indian system. We will write 17,87,564. Next question 54 comma 00 comma 380. Again this is Indian system, 54 lakh 380. Now next is 6 comma 100 comma 500. Again these are separated 3. So this is international system. This is from the period of ones, this thousand and this million. So 6,100,000 and 500. Last is 12 comma 34 comma 567. This is again Indian system. So 12,34,567 will be the answer. Now next question is question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is round of the following numbers to the nearest 10. Children, as we have discussed earlier that what is round off? Round off means to make the number simpler. Okay. Now in this question we have to round of the number to the nearest 10. So we will see the place of ones. So ones, that is 7, and 7 is our strong number. So it will give the power to 5 to become 6. So it will become 660, and after tens it will become 0. So 660, 660. Now second question is 115. So 5 is also a powerful number, strong number. So it will change 1 to 2. It will become 2 and 5 will become 0. So it will become 122. Then next is 743. 3 is a weak number. So it will not change the value of 4. It will remain only 5. So 4 will stay 4 only and 3 will become 0. So this answer will be 740. Question number D, 48. 8 is a strong number. So 8 will change the value of 4. It will become 5 and 8 will become 0. So the answer will be 50. Then 64. 4 is again weak number. It will not change the place of value of 6. It will stay 6 only and 4 will become 0. Answer will be 60. Then question number 5. Round of the following numbers to the nearest 100. Now nearest 100, what we will see? We will see the place of tens. So you can see here place of tens, that is 5. 5 is a strong number. It will change the value of 1. 1 will become 2. 5 and 4 will become 0. So the answer will be 200. Then next question is 499. So we will see the place of tens. Tens is 9. 9 is a strong number. So it will change the value of 4. It will become 5 and 9 will become 0. The answer will be 500. The next question is 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens place is 3. 3 is a weak number, so it will not change the value of 2. 2 will stay 2 only. 1 will stay 1, and 3 4 will become 0 0. So the answer will be 1200. Next question is 5560. The tens place is 6. 6 is a strong number, so it will change the 5 into 6. So 5600 will be the answer. Last question is 549. So 4 is a weak number, as we are seeing the tens place. So 4 is the tens place and 4 is weak number. So it will not change the value of 5. 5 will stay 5 only. 4 9 will become 0. So the answer will be 500. Clear? Now next question is question number 6. Round of the following numbers to the nearest 1000. Question number A, 1970. As we are seeing the 1000, so we will see the place of 100 here. In or at the 100 place, 9 is given and 9 is a strong number. So 9 will change the place of 1 into 2. So 1 will become 2 and 970 will become 0. So 1970 round off to the 1000 will become, answer will be 2000. Next question is 2568. So we will see the 100 place, that is 5. 5 is a strong number, and this 5 will change 2 into 3, and 568 will become 0. So the answer is 3000. Clear? Question number C, 6743. Now we will see again 100 place, that is 7, and 7 is a strong number. So 7 will change 6 into 7. 6 will become 7. 743 will become 0. So the answer of 6743, 6743 will be 7000. Question number D, 3417, 3417. We will see the 100 place. This is 4. 4 is not a strong number, it is weak number. So it will not change the 3 into other numbers. 3 will remain 3 only, and 417 will become 0. So the answer of 3470 will be 3000. Now last question is 3333. Again we will see the place of 100, it is 3. 3 is a weak number, so it will not change 3. 3 will remain 3 only, and this 333 will become 30. So the answer of 3333 will be 3000. Clear? Now your today's homework is complete this work in your classwork copy and practice these questions. Clear? Complete this exercise in your classwork copy and practice these questions. If you are having any queries, then you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.